Hello everybody, once again this heavy hitter for Wall Street Fatcast. Today's January the 13th, Wednesday, 2010. It's about 5 p.m. right now, Eastern time. Um, all today, I just did one trade on POT, Potash Corp. We're looking at it on the 1 minute chart. I had a couple meetings I had to do today, so that took all day long today. So it was just the one trade in pot in the morning, and that's all I did today. I shorted it at 116.75, and I got it right on the 3 minutes after the market opened. As you can see, I had an S on a pot. It in the morning it came down, went pop back up, and then I saw this candle was going up, but on the 20 right here, I knew it was gonna find some resistance, so I decided to go ahead and put a short. I put a short around like 116. 85, but I sent in a market order because it looked like it was starting to fall quick, so I got filled at 116.75. Once it dropped on the next minute right here at 9:33, it started to come down. So once this broke down and then broke the low of the day, it broke the opening price. I felt really happy about this trade. I thought this one was gonna be an awesome one, like a point plus, almost 2 points, but it didn't happen here. The reason it came down is that Monsanto had some news, so that brought pot down along with it. So once it came down on this candle, it came down. I could have got a point easily, but I didn't set my stops in right. I put my stop at 116 even, and then it came down. I could have gotten a point, but I didn't put my order there, and then it came back, stopped me out, and that was it. That's all I did. Just was 75 cents on pot, 1,000 shares, $750. So that one was it was all right. I mean, for one trade, just 5 minutes, 750 bucks, not bad. Um, that's really much all I did today. As far as stock trading, besides the meetings that I had to do today, market was pretty good. Um, yeah. Oh, I had a couple three people ask me questions if I watch TV while the market is open, and do I watch CNBC programs afterwards. Question is that, well, the answer is that when I wake up, I usually just turn on the television. I put it on CNBC. I just watch the opening bell for like 20 minutes, and after that I just turn the TV off. It's really just a distraction. I mean, it's just a bunch of white noise. They just talk a bunch of BS that really doesn't affect me or anything. I usually just go based on what the chart says. Other than that, I really don't have the television on unless there's gonna be some numbers out or something like that. If there's gonna be some numbers out, I just put it on mute, and right when the time is gonna come on, I'll unmute it. Um, I don't watch Bloomberg. I don't watch Fox Business News. I have a Fox Business News and CNBC, but I usually just watch CNBC. They got good looking women there, but they're pretty much a distraction. So, yeah. Other than that, Fast Money with Jim Cramer, I don't watch that. It's just a bunch of BS. Fast Money, I hardly watch that. Some of the stuff that they say is alright. I stopped watching it after Mackey left and Dylan left. I really don't pay much attention. It's just white news. The only guy I see there having some kind of credibility is Pete. Dr. J, he's a really good guy too. He's but those guys, they don't call out picks because they can't. So why even listen to them? Yeah, then Jim Cramer. I mean, you have a better chance of flipping a coin than listening to that guy. I think it was I can't remember if it was in 2008 or 2007. If you flipped the coin, you had a better chance of picking winners than he did that year. So I mean, it's like, why even bother? Some of those guys, they're just too busy. People just keep throwing stocks at them. They don't even know what's going on. They'll just throw out a number, buy, sell, or hold, or whatever. It's just not, it just doesn't do it for me. It's like, why even bother? I do better on my own. So as far as that, I don't watch TV. I don't read the Wall Street Journal, the Street, or whatever other stuff is out there. I don't really watch that. Yeah, pretty much. So tomorrow's gonna be Thursday. Tomorrow, hopefully, I'll have all day to trade. So I'll be throwing up some picks. On my Twitter page, I have my pot short, how I covered. I put S pot. S means short. So yeah. Other than that, guys, if you guys have any more questions, just go ahead and email me, send me a message through YouTube, put a comment on the YouTube channel, um, and probably during the weekend I'll show you guys how I trade with the other indicators that I have, the stochastics, RSI, the MACD, what I look for, and how I used to trading, and then I'm trying to see if I can start trading live, as I can make videos live, and you guys can hear how I'm looking at them. Um, when I enter my position and all that, I'm just trying to see, because I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to do that, if it's gonna mess me up or whatnot, having to press stop, pause, and all that other stuff. So we'll see how that goes. I'll give it a try. If not this week, probably next week. Yeah, and then Intel's gonna come out with earnings. I'll probably play Intel earnings, but I'm not too sure yet. Well, we'll see how it goes, how it trades on that day. So, all right, guys. Other than that, this is a heavy hitter for Wall Street Fat Cats.